Is your Samsung phone acting up with ghost touches? Don't worry, you're not alone. And it's fixable. Follow these step-by-step instructions to get rid of ghost touch issues on your device. Let's dive in. First, start by gently cleaning your screen with a soft, lint-free cloth. Once that's done, move on to the advanced steps below. Solution 1. Turn on Accidental Touch Protection. Open up the settings, then scroll down a little bit. Now tap on Display, scroll down again, find out the Accidental Touch Protection. Now toggle it on. After that, open Setting, scroll down, tap Display, scroll down, turn on Touch Sensitivity. Solution 2. Turn off Touch Sensitivity. Under Accidental Touch Protection, you will see the Touch Sensitivity option. Simply toggle it off. After that, check your issue whether it is solved or not. If not, Solution 3. Check your software. Go back to the Settings page. Now scroll down a bit. Then tap Software Update. Next, tap Download and Install. If you have any updates available, then it will start downloading automatically. Solution 4. Reset all settings. Go to the Settings page again. Scroll down once more. Then tap General Management. Scroll down again. Tap Reset. Scroll down. Now tap Reset all settings. Then tap Reset settings. Again, tap Reset. Wait for a while. Hope that solved your issue. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.